Welcome to Wealth Up Hub, the place where money finally makes sense. Here, we break down personal finance into simple, practical steps that anyone can follow. If you want to save more, spend smarter, and grow your wealth without feeling overwhelmed, you're in the right place. If you're in your 20s, this video may be one of the most important guides you ever watch. Managing money early in life can change your entire future. The habits you build now can decide whether you spend your 30s stressed about bills or financially free and moving toward your goals. In this video, I'm going to share simple and practical money habits that anyone in their 20s can follow. No complicated finance terms, no unrealistic advice, just real, actionable steps that you can start today. Let's get started. Number 1. Understand where your money goes. Before you can control your money, you need to know exactly where it's going. Most people think they know, but when they check, they're usually spending far more on small things than they realize. Take a moment to look at your bank statements from the last month. Add up how much you spent on food, subscriptions, shopping, transportation, and entertainment. You don't need a perfect budget yet. Just understand your habits. Once you see your spending clearly, you'll immediately feel more in control. Awareness is always the first step to financial improvement. Number 2. Build a simple monthly budget. Now that you know where your money goes, you can build a simple budget. Don't overcomplicate it. You can use the 50 to 30-20 rule. That means 50% of your income goes to needs, such as rent, groceries, phone bills, and transportation. 30% goes to wants like eating out or entertainment, and 20% goes to savings or paying off debt. This method helps you manage your money without feeling restricted. If you can't follow it perfectly, that's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. Even adjusting it slightly for your lifestyle is better than not budgeting at all. Number 3. Start building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is one of the most powerful tools you can have in your 20s. Life is unpredictable. Your car can break down. You might need a sudden medical appointment, or you may lose your job unexpectedly. Having at least 3 months of expenses saved can protect you from stress and debt. You don't need to save it all at once. Start small. Even $20 a week adds up. The goal is to build a financial cushion so you're never in a situation where one unexpected bill destroys your budget. Number 4. Avoid high-interest debt. One of the biggest traps young adults fall into is high-interest debt. Credit cards can be useful, but they can also be dangerous if you're not careful. Always pay your balance on time, and only spend what you can afford. Interest can pile up quickly and follow you for years. If you already have debt, make a plan to pay it off slowly and consistently. Start with the smallest balance or the highest interest rate, whichever motivates you more. Becoming debt-free early gives you more freedom later in life. Number 5. Start saving and investing early. Your 20s are the best time to start investing, even if the amount is small. Time is your biggest advantage. Even a small amount, invested consistently, can grow into a large amount over many years. You don't need to be an expert. You can start with something simple like a basic index fund, a retirement account, or an investing app that lets you start with small amounts. The goal is not to get rich quickly. The goal is to build the habit of investing early. The money you invest in your 20s grows the most because it has more time to compound. Number 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. One common mistake people make when their income increases is spending more. You get a raise and suddenly you want a better phone, a nicer car, or more expensive clothes. This is called lifestyle inflation. It's the reason many people never save money, even if they earn a lot. Instead of increasing your spending every time you make more money, increase your savings or investments. This small discipline can give you a huge financial advantage. It's not about living cheap. It's about living smart. Number 7. Build multiple sources of income. Depending on one income is risky. In today's world, having a side income can give you stability and opportunities. It doesn't have to be complicated. You can freelance, do online work, sell something you're good at, or learn a skill that people are willing to pay for. Even a small side income of a few $100s a month can help you save faster, invest more, or pay off debt sooner. Your 20s are the best time to experiment and learn what works for you. Number 8. Set clear financial goals. You can't manage your money well if you don't know what you're working toward. Think about what you want in the next few years. Do you want to buy a car, move to a new place, travel more, invest for the future? Put your goals into simple categories. Short-term goals that you want to achieve within a year, medium-term goals for the next 2 to 5 years, and long-term goals for anything beyond that. Goals give your money a purpose. When you know what you want, it becomes easier to make decisions and easier to stay disciplined. Number 9. Learn basic money skills. Money management isn't taught in school, but it affects every part of your life. The good news is that today, you can learn everything online for free. Take time to watch videos, listen to podcasts, or read simple guides about budgeting, saving, and investing. You don't need to know everything. Just understand the basics. The more you learn, the more confident and in control you'll feel. Number 10. Build good financial habits early. Your 20s are the foundation of your financial life. Small habits you build now will follow you for decades. Pay your bills on time. Track your spending. Save a portion of your income. Avoid unnecessary debt. Invest consistently. These habits may look small, but over time, they create big results. Building good money habits early is one of the smartest things you can do for your future self. If you made it to the end of this video, you're already taking your first step toward financial success. Managing money doesn't have to be complicated. You just need simple habits and consistency. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe because I'll be sharing clear, easy-to-understand finance content to help you build a strong financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.